Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have for you my Christmas card series number 6. For these cards, I will be using My Favorite Things Merry Wishes stamp set. These images are so adorable. I love them. I already went ahead and stamped my images on 90-pound watercolor paper with VersaFine Onyx black ink, and I also colored them with my Zig markers. And now I'm going to add some details using my Sparkle Pop pens and Clear Jelly Roll pen. After adding the details, I'm going to fussy cut them off camera so we can save some time in the video. Let's go ahead and start with our backgrounds. For the paper, I'm using Arches watercolor paper, and I'm also going to use my Pretty Excellent watercolor set. I use Payne's Gray on the first panel and Ultramarine Blue on the second panel. I'm going to have darker color on the bottom of the panel and lighter shade on the upper part of the panel. I will dry the panels and add another layer until I reach to the desired look that I wanted. I will splatter some white paint on the watercolor backgrounds with Grumbacher titanium white. I will add a pea size on the dish, mix it with a little bit of water, add it on the acrylic black, and splatter the paint with paintbrush. You can also use toothbrush if you want tinier splatters on your backgrounds. I also added some white splatters on all of my colored images. For my Hills of Snow, I use Landscape Trio die set from Mama Elephant. I use it to die cut my scraps of watercolor paper. After die cutting those hills of snow, I will add a little bit of color by adding gray Zig markers and blend that color with water. And now it's time to adhere everything together. I'm going to adhere the hills of snow first and then add my images. Now that our panels are ready, we can adhere them on our A2 size top folding card base. Measures 5.5 by 4 1/4 inches. My cardstock card bases are from Paper Tree Ink. For my sentiment, I use Merry Christmas sentiment from Tim Holtz stamp set. I stamped the sentiment on scraps of white cardstock with VersaFine Onyx black ink. And then cut the excess paper and add some distress to the edges using vintage photo distress ink. And then add the sentiments with foam tape on the upper left corner of the cards. For the inside of the cards, I will add a sentiment from Paper Tree ink and add my colored images that I didn't use in front of my cards, and I will just place it on the left side of the sentiment. And my adorable scene cards are complete. I love how these ones turned out. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.